Facing trouble with Spotify application? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. The very first thing you wanna do is to check whether the server of Spotify is down or not. So move into Safari. Here in the address bar, search for Spotify outage. You need to head over to the very first site. Once you're in this site, you will be able to see whether the server of Spotify is down or not. Right now, the server is fine. But in case if the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. If not, move into the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar, you have to search for Spotify. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then all you gotta do is tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Once the page has been loaded, search for the application Spotify. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So, if this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.